Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to convert one table to PDF or other formats with Kutools for Excel. If you want to convert one table from Excel to PDF, CSV or other formats, you can use Kutools for Excel's export range to file utility to easily and quickly deal with it. Select the table you want to convert. Click on the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click on the Import and Export drop-down list and click on the Export Range to File feature. In the Export Range to File dialog, check the file format you want to convert to and check the relative options in the right section, and then select a location to place the result file by clicking on this button. Click the OK button. Again click the OK button to convert the selected table to a PDF file, and in the opening dialog box, enter a name for the file. Click on the OK button. Now you can see that the selected table has been converted to a PDF file. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.